Wednesday morning, and today I am heading my way to Brooklyn because it's been 20 years since I've last taken an M3 for the Long Island Railroad, and today I'm gonna see if I could get my chance. I've started my morning here in Manhattan. That's why I didn't vlog my way over here and everything. I was with some friends taking care of something, and you know, hopefully I'll be able to take a train that I haven't taken in a long time. Yeah, here comes the fun part. Finding an M3 here at Atlantic Terminal. So, as I'm looking right now, all I see, oh, never mind. That was easy. I wonder when this train is departing. I was gonna say, I just see a bunch of M7s. There's one on the other side and one right here, but here's an M3 already. At 9:22, it's 9:11 right now. I guess I could just pay the e-ticket and board this train. I'm on an M3, so let's see if I could be able to get to the other side of the train. If I can, I can. If I can't, okay, I think I can. It's just, I don't want to risk it and everything. I think just to be safe, I may just, I don't know, I may just probably be behind the giant air vents. That's how you could tell you're on an M3. That and the brake lights above the engineer's cab. But yeah, like this was pretty much my childhood, my dad's childhood, and really a good chunk of what my dad operated before the M7s came in. And his last train was an M7. You could check that out on my channel, but I'm gonna quickly pay my e-ticket before the train leaves. So, update. I made it up to the lead car. The thing is, the engineer's cab is blocking the front of it, which is okay. That was literally my dad whenever he operated the M3s. But either way, I'm happy I'm up here. Like, to be at the front of an M3, just like my childhood, this is awesome. Like, again, out of all the rolling stock on the Long Island Railroad, my favorite are the M7s, more so than the M9s. But to be at the front of this, it's just bringing back a lot of childhood memories and everything. The joys of, you know, when you have a dad that drives trains for a living, come on, that's pretty cool. But hey, I'm just happy this graffiti right here doesn't say any cuss word to my knowledge. Which, like, if you feel uncomfortable with it, I apologize. This is unintentional with me. It's just, unfortunately, there are just some individuals that choose to resort to unnecessary graffiti. So, made it to Jamaica, and there's never a chance for a good thumbnail shot for an M3. Minus if I use the thumbnail from East New York, but I deleted that off my phone God knows how long ago, because it's been a while since I've taken East New York. Okay, 9:44. Oh, this train's about to leave right now. Hold up. Let me head to the front of this M7 so that I can be able to head back to Brooklyn. Hopefully I could leave at a decent time. Like, okay, right now they're doing the brake test. Like, tall guy running with his camera, and it's leaving in 2 minutes. Okay, I gotta get on fast. Okay, so turns out I'm not taking the M7, which is literally leaving. The thing is that I was trying to activate the ticket, but something was going on, and I want to be legit. So, one, got an M3 thumbnail shot with the blue stripes, so I like that. Second, at least I'll be able to take the train back over. At least I'll be able to take the train back over to Brooklyn, and all should go well. And yeah, we'll see. shot number 2. And yes, it's the same thumbnail shot. It's the same front of the cab as it was heading over here. So if like I was saying in the video, and you're gonna hear it on my way over here, I'm gonna see if I can be able to get the hopefully either the 10:30 or the 11 o'clock ferry back home to Staten Island. If I could get the 10:30, that'd be great. Okay. I'm like, don't troll me, Omni. But now I'm just gonna... Yeah, this is why I am waiting over on this platform, because literally the 5 train is right there, and it's going to be impossible for me to run over to the other side. So if I take the 2 or 3 over to Nevins, I can literally jump to the other side. But I think I'm going to stop this vlog right here, only because, like, my phone is right now at 52%, which is not bad. It's just, while I was recording the trip back over here, it felt a little bit hot. So, you know, I just don't want to risk the battery dying before I get back home. See y'all later.